Gail Goole here, and you are listening to Generative Engine Optimization in the AI Era, Decoding SEO 2.0.
I'm Guy Goole. Welcome to the show. Proudly sponsored by 3 Steps Digital Brand Management, a Kalicube certified agency.
Okay, so we've been digging into a ton of stuff, articles, some really interesting research notes, and it all points to this, massive shift.
Yeah, a real change in how credibility works, especially for you, for personal brands online.
Exactly. So our mission here really is to pull out the absolute must-knows from all this material. What does this SEO 2.0 actually mean for ambitious entrepreneurs listening?
Yes, let's dive right in and decode.
Okay.
So you've built your success, right? You've got the experience that runs on the board. But here's the first big takeaway we're seeing. Your real-world reputation, it's not the only judge anymore. Not online, anyway.
Right. It's like Google and these big AI platforms, ChatGPT and others, they're becoming the new gatekeepers of credibility.
Arbiters, yeah. They're deciding who gets seen, who gets trusted, who gets recommended, and it's based on what they understand, not necessarily reality.
Mm-hmm. And we're hearing this directly affects established entrepreneurs, the ones who are doing great things offline, but online, growth might be stalling.
Or they lose deals. Because someone does a quick Google search and, what they see doesn't quite match the actual authority. It's frustrating.
Super frustrating. Or maybe you're trying to pivot, move into a new, exciting space, but your old digital footprint kind of holds you back, makes you feel, misunderstood.
Now that taps into some real fears, doesn't it? We saw that in the sources, like the fear of losing ground to competitors, maybe competitors who aren't as experienced, but they just show up better to the algorithms.
Yeah, or watching money just, slip away. Opportunities lost because your digital self isn't reflecting your true expertise. That's a big one.
It really is. And this brings us to a really core problem, something highlighted particularly well by Kalicube and its founder, Jason Barnard.
Right. What's the core issue they point out?
It's that algorithms don't mirror reality perfectly. They reflect what they understand. And they understand structured data they can easily process.
So you can have all the credentials in the world.
Exactly. But if Google and AI can't easily, parse that information, make sense of it, your authority, it stays invisible to these really important systems.
So Kalicube's work is about translating that real-world authority into something machines can grasp, engineering that digital identity.
Precisely. Engineering it for the machines. And look, when the machines do get it, the commercial value is just, wow, undeniable.
Like those examples we found.
Yeah. Like Julian King adding, $3.4 million in new revenue. And part of that was a $1.3 million deal that closed just 1 month after his Google Knowledge Panel went live.
Wow. That little box Google shows.
That's the one. Because suddenly, ChatGPT and others started recommending him. The signal was clear. Or Daria Morozova securing a $1.6 million seed round.
And her online story played a part.
A big part, apparently. Built that investor trust before the pitch, just from her clear online narrative.
It's powerful stuff. And it's not just about new deals, right? It's huge for career pivots, too.
Oh, absolutely. We saw mentions of Marcus Trent. He was from Saw's founder to AI advisor. Pulled in $480,000.
Because he reframed his digital identity.
Exactly. And Elena Navarro, wellness coach, shifting to fintech advisor. $420,000 generated. It's not just changing titles, it's strategically changing how the algorithms understand your new focus.
Okay, but here's the part that really jumped out at me. The urgency. This isn't just a nice to have for the future.
No, definitely not. This is about your digital legacy, what AI is going to remember about you, like long term. And this is where Jason Barnard and Kalicube get really specific. They're stressing that 2025 and 2026, these are critical years.
Critical. Why now specifically?
Because right now, these AI platforms are building their foundational knowledge. They're learning who's who's authoritative, who to trust. They're basically locking in their long-term understanding.
So what they learn about you now sets the stage for years, maybe decades.
That's the idea. Acting now, getting your digital house in order during this period. It's like buying digital insurance for your future relevance.
And if you wait, if you don't proactively manage how algorithms see you during this foundational stage,
it gets much, much harder to correct later. Exponentially harder, maybe. You seriously risk being left behind. You risk having the algorithms champion other people while your real accomplishments just, remain unseen by the systems everyone's starting to rely on.
So it's way beyond just keywords now.
Oh, yeah. This is Generative Engine Optimization. Making sure AI and search engines don't just find you, but they understand you, they trust your authority, and they can represent you accurately. It's a whole different ballgame, and it's happening right now.
Generative search optimization in the AI era, decoding SEO 2.0.
We dived, decoded, and deciphered SEO 2.0.
All thanks to our sponsor, 3 Steps Digital Brand Management. So, based on everything we've unpacked here, maybe the thought to leave you with is this. AI is building its memory of the world as we speak. That includes its memory of you. What version of your expertise, your authority, is it actually building right now?
And thank you for listening. See you next time for another new necessary nugget of knowledge.